In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download all your files from Google Drive at once. We often use Google Drive to store a variety of files, from important documents to cherished photos, and sometimes we need to have all of these available offline. Whether you're backing them up or simply need them organized on your local drive, I'll guide you through the straightforward steps to do just that. First, you'll want to open up your Google Drive. Head to your internet browser and type in drive.google.com. Once there, you should see your list of files and folders. Now, the key to downloading everything is to select the files you want to keep. You can do this by simply holding down the Shift key on your keyboard and clicking on the first file. Then, while still holding Shift, click on the last file in your list. This should highlight everything you've clicked, indicating they are selected. If you only want a few files or folders, you can select them individually by holding down the Ctrl key instead. Once you have your files selected, it's time to find the Download option. Move your cursor to the top right corner of the window where you'll see 3 vertical dots. This icon is usually referred to as More Actions. Click on it. This will open up a menu of options, and from there, you will see one labeled Download. Go ahead and click on it. Google Drive will now prepare your files for download. Depending on the number and size of files, this might take a little while, so feel free to grab a coffee while you wait. Your files will be zipped together into a single folder, making it easier to manage and transfer. Once the zipping process is complete, your browser should prompt you to save the zipped file to your computer. Choose a destination that's easy to remember and organize. For instance, your desktop or a dedicated Downloads folder. And there you have it, all your files available offline, neatly packed in a zip folder, ready for you to use as needed. You can unzip the folder using any file extraction tool like WinRAR or 7-Zip, both of which are widely available if you don't have them yet. Not only does this method ensure that you have a backup of all your precious documents, but it also enables quick access without needing an internet connection. Remember, it's always a good idea to regularly back up your files. It keeps your data safe and gives you peace of mind. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to check out other videos for more handy tech tips